Hello everyone. Previous lecture we have studied the concept related with the chapter circle, and in that we see different form of equation of circle. Here we see standard form, then we see center radius form, and in last we see the diameter form. Okay, we see various examples depending on these forms. Now in today's lecture we go with a new concept in this chapter, and is here general equation of a circle. Here the equation of the form here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is called general equation of a circle. Here I repeat, the equation of the form here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is called the general equation of a circle. Okay, so here for this equation we define the center and the radius. Here remember, here center always in the form, here center is always having minus g and minus f, and here for radius, we consider square root of g square plus f square minus c. Here g, f and c are from our general equation. Okay, so in today's lecture we have to see some important examples related with this form, related with this general equation. So here we go with some example. Firstly we go with our examples. Here remember condition for the given circle. Here remember, if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, then this equation represents the circle. So this is the condition for the circle. Remember this condition also. Here I repeat, g square plus f square minus c, if it is greater than 0, then given equation represents the circle. Okay, so we go with some examples. Here in first we consider find the center and radius of each of the following. Let's go with our first equation. Here given x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here remember, this given equation is in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So we compare this given equation with our general equation. Comparing given equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then we get, here we get 2g first, here 2g is equal to, let's compare this 2gx with minus 2x, here we get 2g is minus 2. Then we compare this 2fy with 4y. So here 2f is equal to 4. And in last we compare this c with minus 4. So here c is equal to minus 4. Okay. So this implies here g is equal to minus 1. Then here f is equal to 2. And here c is having minus 4. So by using G, F and C, here we have to find center and radius by using the same concept or by using the same formula. Okay, so we go with center first. Here center is equivalent to and is having minus G minus F. This is equivalent to here minus, we know G is minus 1, so we replace G by using minus 1 here. Then here minus F, F is having 2, okay, and in last this is equivalent to 1 minus 2. So this is the center for the given circle. Now we go with our next part. Here we have to find radius by using the same formula. Okay, also here radius is equivalent to square root of G square plus F square minus C. This is equivalent to here inside the square root, we know G is a minus 1, so here minus 1 square plus F is 2, so here we have 2 square minus, here C is minus 4, so minus of minus 4. Now this is equivalent to here inside the square root, we know minus 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4, then minus of minus is plus, so plus 4. This is equivalent to here inside the square root, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and lastly here we get square root of 9 and is 3. So here in this example we find center and here radius by using our definition. Okay, now we go with our next example. Here in second, given 4x square plus 4y square minus 24x minus 8y minus 24 and is equal to 0. Now here remember coefficients of x square, coefficient of y square are given, and in our definition here we consider coefficients of x square and y square here as 1. So in this example our first step is we have to make coefficients of x square and y square as 1, and to make this 1 we divide this both the sides by 4. Okay, so here in the solution we consider given equation again. Given 4x square plus 4y square minus 24x minus 8y minus 24 is equal to 0. Here we divide both the sides by 4. Okay, so we get here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so we compare, or I write here comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here we get 2g first. Let's compare this 2gx with minus 6x. We get 2g as minus 6. Then we compare this 2fy with minus 2y. We get 2f is equal to minus 2. In next we compare this c with minus 6. So here c is equal to minus 6. Okay, then here I write g separately. Here g is equal to, we know minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3. Then here 2f is equal to minus 2 is given, so f is equal to minus 1. and in last here C is equal to minus 6. Okay, firstly we find center. Here center is equal to here minus G minus F. Okay, this is equivalent to, with minus sign, here G is minus 3, so minus of minus 3. Then with minus sign, here F is minus 1. Okay, and this is equivalent to here 3, 1. So center of the given circle is here in order pair 3, 1. Okay, now we find radius. Also here radius is equivalent to, inside the square root, G square plus F square minus C. This is equal to, here inside the square root, G is minus 3, so minus 3 square, plus F is minus 1, so minus 1 square. Next, with minus sign, C is minus 6. Then this is equivalent to, here inside the square root, we know minus 3 square is 9, plus we know minus 1 square is 1. Next, here minus of minus is a plus, so plus 6. This is equivalent to, here we get square root of 16, and we know square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so we find center and radius for the given equation of the circle or for the given circle. So very simple example it is, directly by using our concept, that is center is equal to minus G minus F, and radius, for radius inside the square root G square plus F square minus C, we find center and radius. Now we go with our next example depending on condition. Here if G square plus F square minus C is greater than 0, then the given equation represents the circle. Remember this point. So we go with example. Example here given. Show that the equation 3x square plus 3y square plus 12x plus 18y minus 11 is equal to 0 represents a circle. Okay, so by using our condition, here we show this equation represents this circle. Consider given equation first. Given 3x square plus 3y square plus 12x plus 18y minus 11 is equal to 0. Here we know for the general equation, coefficients of x square and coefficient of y square here as 1. Okay, so we divide this equation by 3. Okay, or both the sides by 3. If we divide both the sides by 3, here we get x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 11 upon 3 is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, so we compare. Here I write comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We get, here we get 2g is 4, we get 2f, here 2f is 6, then we get c, here c is minus 11 upon 3. Okay, then in next, here we find g separately. Here G is equal to, we know this is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Then for F, here twice F is 6. So F is 3. Next, here C is equal to minus 11 upon 3. Now here we consider this condition. Let us consider G square plus F square minus C first. Consider G square plus F square minus C is equal to, G is 2, so here 2 square, plus F is 3, so here 3 square, minus C is minus 11 upon 3 is equal to, we know 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, minus of minus is plus, so plus 11 upon 3 is equal to 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 11 upon 3. We know here 13 plus 11 upon 3 is 39 plus 11 upon 3, and in last here 39 plus 11 is 50, so 50 upon 3, and we know 50 upon 3 is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then the given equation represents the circle. Okay, therefore the given equation represents the circle. Okay, again very simple example it is. Directly by using the condition, here we show the given equation represents a circle. Let us consider one more example for this part. Example here given, prove that 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 represents a circle. Also find a radius, center and radius. Okay, again we consider given equation. Here given 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we divide both the sides by 3, so we get x square plus y square minus 2x, then plus 4 by 3y minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 0. Now this equation is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So here we compare. Here I write comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We get here 2g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 1. Okay, so here c is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, here twice f is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so 2g is equal to minus 6, then here g is equal to, therefore here g is equal to minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3, then f is equal to here 4 by 6. Here 4 by 6 means 2 by 3, and in last here C is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Now here we have to prove the given equation represents the circle, and to prove this we consider here g square plus f square minus c is equal to, here g is minus 3, so minus 3 square, plus f is here 2 by 3 square, then in next minus c, here for c minus 1 upon 3 is equal to, we know minus 3 square is 9 plus 2 by 3 square is 4 by 9. Next minus of minus is plus, so plus 1 upon 3. Now this is equal to, here we get 27 plus, okay, here we get 9 into 9 is 81 plus 4 plus 3, this divided by 9. This is equal to, we know 81 plus 4 is 85, 85 plus 3 is 88, so 88 by 9, and we know this is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then the given equation represents the circle. Okay, so we prove your given equation represents circle. Therefore, the given equation represents circle. Okay. Now in next, here we have to find center and radius. Here to find center we consider minus g minus f, and to find the radius we consider square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay. So here in next we consider center is equivalent to here minus g minus f. We know here g is minus 3. Okay, so minus of minus 3. Then here for f we have 2 upon 3. Okay, so minus 2 upon 3, and in last here we get 3 minus 2 upon 3. Here is for center. Now in next we consider radius. Here radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to inside the square root. Here we know g square plus f square minus c is 88 by 9. So inside the square root 88 by 9. Now this is equal to here 88 upon 9. Okay, so this is for the radius. Here center is 3 minus 2 upon 3, and radius is square root of 88 by 9. So in today's lecture we see the general equation of circle, and we see how to find center and radius for the given circle. Thank you.